benzaldehyde react with itself in presence of aqueous alcoholic KCN to form a condensation product of alpha hydroxy ketone, that is a benzoin. இப்போ இதை நம்ம ஆல்ஃபா ஹைட்ராக்சி கீட்டோன் அப்படின்னு நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம், ஏன் சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இது வந்துட்டு கீட்டோனுடைய ஃபங்க்ஷனல் குரூப் C டபுள் பாண்ட் O. ஸோ இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனல் குரூப்புக்கு ஃபஸ்ட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய கார்பனை வந்து நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா ஆல்ஃபா கார்பன். ஸோ ஆல்ஃபா கார்பனில் ஹைட்ராக்சி குரூப் இருக்கிறதுனால இது வந்து நம்ம பென்சாயின் இஸ் அன் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபார் ஆல்ஃபா ஹைட்ராக்சி கீட்டோன். இட்ஸ் IUPAC நேம். அப்போ டோட்டலாக பார்க்கும்போது லாங் செயினில் வந்து 1-2 கார்பன் ஆட்டம்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ 2 ஹைட்ராக்சி ஃபஸ்ட்டு கார்பன்லேயும் செகண்ட் கார்பன்லேயும் ஃபினைல் குரூப் இருக்குது. அப்போ 1,2 டைஃபினைல், 2 கார்பன் ஆட்டம் வித் கீட்டோன், ஸோ எத்தனோன். This reaction is a benzoin condensation. Next, fourth reaction is a Perkins reaction. Fourth one is a Perkins reaction. In this reaction, aromatic aldehyde is reacted with aliphatic acid anhydride in presence of sodium salt of corresponding anhydride. So condensation reaction இதுலேயும் வந்து என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா கண்டென்சேஷன் ரியாக்ஷன் டேக்ஸ் பிளேஸ். இதில் வந்துட்டு நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆல்ஃபா பீட்டா unsaturated acid is obtained. So this reaction is called Perkins reaction. Perkins reactionல வந்துட்டு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா aromatic aldehyde is react with aliphatic acid anhydride. Aromatic aldehyde aliphatic acid anhydride ஓட in presence of sodium salt of the same corresponding anhydride. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா condensation reaction takes place to produce alpha and beta unsaturated acid is obtained. ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். இப்போ aromatic aldehyde benzaldehyde ஃபார்முலா C6H5CH double bond O is react with aliphatic acid anhydride. aliphatic acid anhydrideக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தோன்னா அசிடிக் anhydride நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். அசிடிக் anhydride ஃபார்முலா என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா CH3COOCOCH3 is a acidic anhydride in presence of என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கிறோம் நம்ம சோடியம் சால்ட் ஆஃப் த கரஸ்பாண்டிங் ஆன்ஹைட்ரைட். இந்த ஆன்ஹைட்ரைடோடைய சோடியம் சால்ட். ஸோ சோடியம் அசிட்டேட் CH3COONA சோடியம் அசிட்டேட் ப்ரெசன்ஸில் பென்சால்டிஹைடு இஸ் ரியாக்ட் வித் அசிடிக் ஆன்ஹைட்ரைடு. இதில் வந்துட்டு என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு வாட்டர் மாலிகுல் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ரிமூவல் ஆகும், மைனஸ் வாட்டர். அப்போ டு ஃபார்ம் C6H5CH double bond CH COOCOCH3 அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு அன்ஸ்டேபிள் கிடைக்கும். இதை நம்ம என்ன செய்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா ஹைட்ராலிசிஸ் வாட்டர். So this bond will be break H and OH. அப்போ we get C6H5CH double bond CH COOH plus CH3COOH. This is a cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid is an example of alpha beta unsaturated acid. This one is a acidic acid. So this reaction is a Perkins reaction. Okay students. Next reaction is a Navanagh reaction. In this reaction, aromatic aldehyde. React with malonic acid in presence of pyridine catalyst. Pyridine is a catalyst to form alpha, and the same alpha beta unsaturated acid is obtained. So this reaction is called Navanagh reaction. இப்போ நம்ம ரியாக்ஷன் எழுதலாம். அரோமேட்டிக் ஆல்டிஹைடு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பென்சால்டிஹைடு C6H5CH double bond O plus malonic acid. Malonic acid is a dicarboxylic acid. Formula CH2COOH is a malonic acid. இப்போ வந்துட்டு பென்சால்டிஹைடு react with malonic acid in presence of pyridine. Pyridine is a basic catalyst. First step to removal of water. Pyridine catalyst removal of water molecule to form the unstable compound C6H5CH double bond COOH. It will be further heated to remove removal of carbon dioxide. Decarboxylation takes place to form alpha beta unsaturated acid, that is a cinnamic acid. C6H5CH double bond CH COOH is called cinnamic acid. Next, sixth reaction is reaction with primary amine. Aromatic aldehyde is react with primary amine to form Gibbs base. For example, benzaldehyde C6H5CH double bond O. Benzaldehyde is react with primary amine. Say one example of primary amine is aniline. What is the formula for aniline? NH2C6H5 is called aniline. Removal of water molecule. Removal of water molecule to form C6H5CH double bond NC6H5 benzol aniline. This group is a benzol aniline. Benzol aniline is a Gibbs base. Next reaction, is a condensation reaction with tertiary amine. Aromatic aldehyde condensation with tertiary amine. Aromatic aldehyde benzaldehyde CH double bond O. Benzaldehyde is react with dimethyl aniline. What is the formula for aniline? C6H5NH2 is a aniline. இப்போ இந்த அனிலினில் வந்துட்டு இந்த 2 hydrogen atom replaced by the 2 methyl group. So C6H5NCH3 twice is called dimethyl aniline. Dimethyl aniline is a tertiary amine. ஏன்னா phenyl group ஒன்று இருக்குது, 2 methyl groups இருக்கு. So benzaldehyde is react with dimethyl aniline NCH3. CH3 twice, 2 molecules. In presence of strong mineral acid, sulfuric acid, by losing water to form CH NCH3 twice NCH3 twice triphenyl methane or malachite green dye will be obtained. So this reaction is a reaction with tertiary aromatic aldehyde react with tertiary amine. Okay, wow. Next one is a electrophilic substitution reaction. Eighth one is a electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. We have already learnt that reaction at 11th standard. First one is a nitration. The benzaldehyde is a meta-directing group. Benzaldehyde is a meta-directing group. So, the product will be formed at the meta position. First reaction is a nitration. Benzaldehyde is react with concentrated. Hi students, in this class we will discuss about a test for aldehydes. There are 4 tests for testing the aldehydes. First one is a Tollens reagent test. What is Tollens reagent? Tollens reagent is nothing but ammoniacal silver nitrate. So, aldehydes added to ammoniacal silver nitrate to form a silver mirror. This is the confirmatory test for the aldehydes. So, in this reaction is carried out both oxidation and reduction reactions. Aldehyde will be oxidized to acid and the Ag plus ion from silver nitrate is reduced to metallic silver. Both reaction is carried out in this reactions. So, the reaction, we can write the reactions. Acetaldehyde CH3CHO plus ammoniacal silver nitrate. The active part of the ammoniacal silver nitrate is a amine complex. Here, AgNH3 twice 2 plus ion. Tollens reagent contains amine complex. But 2 molecules of AgNH3 twice plus 3 OH minus. This solution is a slightly basic solution. So, first step, aldehyde is oxidized to acid. So, acetaldehyde is oxidized. In the second step, reduction step. So, 2Ag plus ion reduced to metallic silver. Here, 2 2s are 4NH3. So, one oxygen is shifted there and one hydrogen is shifted there. So, 2 molecules of water is liberated. So, this reaction is a Tollens reagent test. So, aliphatic aldehyde, both aliphatic aldehyde and aromatic aldehyde answers the Tollens reagent test but not for ketones. Second test is a Fehling solution test. Fehling solution is prepared by mixing equal volume of Fehling solution A containing aqueous copper sulfate and Fehling solution B contain alkaline solution of sodium potassium tartrate which is known as Rochelle salt. Here, what is a Fehling solution? Fehling solution is a mixture of equal volume of Fehling solution A and Fehling solution B. What is a Fehling solution A? Fehling solution A containing an aqueous solution of copper sulfate. Students, you know the color of copper sulfate is a copper sulfate is a blue in color. So Fehling solution A becomes blue in color. Next, Fehling solution B. Fehling solution B is a alkaline solution of sodium potassium tartrate. So alkaline solution of sodium potassium tartrate which is known as Rochelle salt. This solution is a colorless. So we can mix an equal volume of Fehling solution A and Fehling solution B. So it's total color. This one is a blue color, this one is a colorless. So we can mix total color is a blue color. So aldehyde is warmed with Fehling solution. So we can add some aldehyde with Fehling solution and the solution is warmed. So deep blue color solution is changed to red color precipitate due to formation of cuprous oxide. So blue color solution is changed to red color solution. So this reaction, acetaldehyde plus Fehling solution. The active component of Fehling solution is a Cu2 plus and it is a slightly basic solution, so 5OH minus. So this reaction also carried out at both oxidation and reduction reaction. So acetaldehyde oxidizes to acetate ionic state. Next, Cu2 plus is reduced blue color Cu2 plus ion reduces to red color. So due to formation of cuprous oxide. So one of the oxygen is shifted there and hydrogen is shifted there. So 3 water molecules are formed. This is another test for Fehling solution. So aliphatic aldehyde answers this test but not for aromatic aldehyde and ketones. Next, third test. Third test is a Penetics solution test. Third one is a Penetics solution test. What is a Penetic solution? Penetic solution is a mixture of copper sulfate and sodium citrate. What is a Penetic solution? Penetic solution is a mixture of copper sulfate and potassium citrate and a small amount of sodium hydroxide. So, Cu2 plus is reduced. So, the color of the Penetic solution is blue color due to presence of copper sulfate. So, the aldehyde Cu2 plus is reduced by aldehyde to give the red color precipitate of cuprous oxide. Next test is a
Benedict's test. By the end of this exercise, the students should be able to distinguish between reducing and non-reducing sugars using the Benedict's test, outline the process, and also write a well-balanced reaction equation for the test. Benedict's test is a test for reducing sugars. Heating a mixture of Benedict's reagent and a reducing sugar such as glucose leads to the reduction of the cupric ions in Benedict's reagent to cuprous ions with the formation of copper 1 oxide, seen as a yellow to red precipitate in the mixture. The materials used in this test procedure are maltose, glycine, Benedict's qualitative reagent, glucose. You may also need a pipette, test tubes, and a measuring cylinder. Pipette 1 ml of each test solution into labeled test tubes. Add 5 ml of Benedict's qualitative reagent. Place all the test tubes containing the mixture in boiling water and heat for 3 minutes. Cool and observe. Glucose, a reducing sugar. Maltose, a reducing sugar. Glycine, a non-sugar. On prolonged heating, maltose would hydrolyze into glucose to yield a positive result.
Fourth one is a CHIPS reagent test. What is a CHIPS reagent? CHIPS reagent is a rose aniline hydrochloride dissolved in water. What is a CHIPS reagent? CHIPS reagent is a rose aniline hydrochloride dissolved in water and the red color decolorized by sulfur dioxide. So, the aldehyde restore the red color of the CHIPS reagent. So, these are the test for aldehydes. Ketones do not give the test. So, acetone gives the positive test but slowly. Next, let us see uses of aldehydes and ketones. Uses of formaldehyde. 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde is called formalin. Very important question. What is formalin? 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde is called formalin. What is its use? It is used for preserving biological specimens. Second one is formalin has a hardening effect, so it is used for leather tanning. Next, third one is formalin is used in the production of thermosetting plastic like bakelite, which is obtained. Bakelite is obtained by heating phenol with formalin. Or next, these are the tests for formaldehyde. Next, let us discuss the uses of acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is used for silvering of mirrors. Second one, paraldehyde. Paraldehyde is used as a medicine, as a hypnotic. Third one, acetaldehyde used in the commercial preparation of number of organic compounds like acetic acid, ethyl acetate, etc. Next one is uses of acetone. Acetone is used as a solvent in the manufacture of smokeless powder cartridge. Second one is it is used as a nail polish remover. Third one, it is used in the preparation of sulfonal. Very important one more, a hypnotic. It is used in the manufacture of thermo-softening plastic purpose. Next, uses of benzaldehyde. Flavoring agent, perfumes, dye intermediate, a starting material for the synthesis of several organic compounds like cinnamaldehyde, cinnamic acid, benzoyl chloride, etc. Next, uses of aromatic ketones. Acetophenone has been used in the perfumery and it is a hypnotic under the name Hypnone. Very important one mark. Next, benzophenone is used in perfumery and in the preparation of benzohydrol drops. Thank you.